Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to change the advanced overdrive settings on your ACER Nitro XZ273U. So first what we need to do is we need to click on the power button once. Now go to the menu and here you go to gaming. Here we will have the advanced overdrive, and here we can change it from, let's say, normal to extreme. So now basically it will save those settings and we can also disable it or set it as normal. So it's totally up to us, guys. It's your decision. You guys can try out every single setting and let me know in the comments which one is the best for you. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.